Hi, I'm your Sunny trainer, Lindsay, and today I'm excited to share with you all of the features and benefits of the compact hydraulic stepper. The mini steppers are some of our most popular pieces of equipment because they are compact, effective, and easy to use. Let's take a look at the key features of this model before jumping on. There is no complicated setup. This machine is nearly ready to use right out of the box. All you need to do is set your step height by lifting one pedal, wrapping the cable around the pulley, and then tighten the knob. This is the smooth dual hydraulic resistance part of the stepper that delivers a low impact, joint-friendly step motion. The hydraulics are right there underneath each step. The hydraulics can work for about 15 minutes before needing a rest, which is the perfect amount of time for you to be on the machine at a time. There is a clear LCD monitor to track your time, step count, and calories burned to stay motivated and on track. The non-slip foot pedals help to keep you stable and secure, even during quick or intense bursts of stepping. It also comes with resistance bands that you could use for an upper body workout. You can attach or detach them using the clip and unscrew the clip to add or remove them. Now, let's get started. Step onto the stepper 1 foot at a time, and if you struggle with balance, just use a desk, sturdy chair, or wall for stability. Find a comfortable stepping rhythm with long, slow strides, engaging your core and pumping your arms just like a power walker. Or take smaller steps to make it more intense. You can also use a squat position to keep your muscles under tension for longer. If you have mastered your balance, you can do a bicep curl and lateral raises to work and engage your biceps and shoulders. If you need to adjust the resistance bands, you can open them at the top and adjust like this. Now, simply pick it up and put it away. It is truly compact and portable, small enough to stash under a desk or slide into a closet. Perfect for apartments, offices, or any tight space. Big results don't always need big machines. Whether you're just starting out or looking for an easy, convenient way to stay active, this compact stepper gets the job done. If you want to follow along with a professional trainer, our SunnyFit app has many guided stepper workouts available for free.